Now, to answer your question, where would the money come from? Where could the money come from? Well, they own about $120, $130 billion worth of stake in ARM. And if they were to sell that, they could get some money, but it won't be worth the same, which is today in the market, simply because once you know that there's a 91% stakeholder in this ARM wanting to sell most of it, the valuation would not be the same. It would be significantly different. So, and also the company's net debt already. So there are not enough sources of 100, 200, or $500 billion funds that we can see. Besides, nobody's investing with Masa in the last 5-6 years. He tried to build up with Vision Fund 2. He didn't get any external investors. So no external investors, no serious cash inflow. There's only way largely to fund that is through sale of ARM stake.
Atul, so is Elon right? And is Stargate going to see the light of day?
I'm not sure what exactly this $500 billion announcement is. And he's right. SoftBank doesn't have cash sitting with them. It's not easy to generate that cash. SoftBank investors do not benefit at all. Just remember, this is not an investment into NVIDIA or Broadcom, and it does not generate returns tomorrow or next year. It is a CapEx investment, capital expenditure. Where is the cash inflow? So SoftBank investors don't benefit. If you look at the selling the asset, SoftBank SoftBank investors do not benefit. If they are not able to do buyback, because now they suddenly have to direct this investment into capital expenditure, SoftBank investors do not benefit. So any which way we look at it, SoftBank investors are not benefiting from this commitment. So it's not clear, of course, because in all of Asia, if you look at a Trump trade or a Trump stock, you can say SoftBank is one. Therefore, the stock is rallying. But if I look at underlying dynamics, there's nothing specifically because of this commitment that will make me excited. It'll make me worried. And that was the reason we actually downgraded the stock, not to sell, but to hold. I mean, it's very cheap, but to close that gap between the NAV and stock price, the one way to do that is buyback. And now they can't do buybacks.